everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. Today I'm going to be showing you how to log into your MAKO Medical account. So keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Open up a web browser of your choice and go to the URL box at the top and type in mako.exchange and press enter on your keyboard. Doing so will take you to the login area directly, as you can see it on the display. To log into your account, go ahead and type in your email address associated with MAKO Medical in the first text box. And now head over to the next field where it says password and type in your password. If you've forgotten your password during the login process, click Forgot Password link and follow the on-screen prompts in order to look for a new password. After you are done typing your credential, click the login button in blue and you'll be able to get access to your MAKO Medical account quick and easy. That's how you can easily get access to your MAKO Medical account. MAKO Medical is a healthcare diagnostic laboratory specializing in helping you take control of your healthcare by offering accurate testing. If you like the video, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.